Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to connect ActiveCampaign to WordPress. This integration is essential if you want to seamlessly manage your email marketing and automation directly from your WordPress site, making it much easier to capture leads and nurture your audience. First, you'll need to go to your WordPress admin dashboard. This is where you manage all aspects of your website, from content to plugins and settings. Once you're logged in, navigate to the left sidebar where you'll find all your main options. Next, click on Plugins, then click Add Plugin. This section is where you can extend your WordPress site's functionality by adding new tools and features. The plugins library contains thousands of options, but today we're focusing on one specific integration. In the search field that appears, type ActiveCampaign and press Enter. This will filter the results to show you plugins related to ActiveCampaign. You'll see several options, but it's important to select the official plugin to ensure you're getting the legitimate, fully supported version. Look for the plugin titled ActiveCampaign-the Autonomous Marketing Platform and click Install Now. WordPress will download and install the plugin for you, which should only take a few moments. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the button change to Activate. Go ahead and click Activate to enable the plugin on your site. Now that the plugin is active, you need to configure it. In the left sidebar, click on Settings, then select ActiveCampaign. This will take you to the plugin's configuration page where you'll connect your WordPress site to your ActiveCampaign account. At this point, you'll need to grab your API credentials from ActiveCampaign. Open a new tab and log into your ActiveCampaign account. Once you're in, look for Settings on the left side and click it, then click on Developer. This section contains the technical details you'll need to establish the connection between the two platforms. Here you'll find your API URL and API key. These are unique to your account and act as the secure bridge between WordPress and ActiveCampaign. Go ahead and copy both the API URL and API key values. Make sure you copy them exactly as they appear, without any extra spaces or characters. Now switch back to your WordPress tab. You should still be on the ActiveCampaign settings page. Paste the API URL into the API URL field and paste the API key into the API key field. Double check that everything is entered correctly, as even a small mistake can prevent the connection from working. Finally, click the Connect button. WordPress will now attempt to establish the connection with your ActiveCampaign account. If everything is entered correctly, you should see a success message appear, confirming that your accounts are now linked. You've now successfully integrated ActiveCampaign with WordPress, allowing you to leverage powerful marketing automation directly from your website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.